In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the purchase return of any kind of raw materials in Odoo. So we have a transaction of 30th of January which says purchase returns of cloth B to Star Textiles, and we are returning this raw materials back to the vendor. So this means that the inventory should be reduced and payable against that should also reduce, since we don't have to make the payment against the items that we have returned to them. So let's see how we can deal with this in Odoo. First of all, just head over to the vendors and click on the bills. Since first of all, we need to locate the bill. It was against Star Textiles, so I will select this bill because against this we have to adjust it in the credit note. So we only have to pay the remaining amount and not the ones which we have already returned. So just click to open this, and you have this little button right here which says credit note. What this will do is it will create the simple credit note of the same invoice. Just you have to adjust the quantity. Reason displayed on the credit note, I'll just mention this. Or even if you want to define the detailed reason, why do you want to return it? What is the problem in cloth B basically? You can write it here. And since the purchases, we have entered the complete journal in the purchases, so we will use the same journal for returning as well. The reversal date, I'll just change the date to 30th of January. And we have two options, reverse and create an invoice and reverse. I'll just create a reversal here. And if you notice, now the vendor credit note is created just by directly transferring that particular bill to a credit note along with the same quantity and same price. So what we'll do is we will only adjust the quantity which we are returning back to the vendor, and the price is already mentioned. So this makes the total to 75,000. All good. And if you want to make this adjustment against any pending bill, like during the period or the opening bill, I can adjust it against that. Click on add, and now the total amount due is 0. So if you click on journal after that, the interim stock that is received is now returned because whatever we purchased is in stock received. So we have reduced that stock received because we have to return that items, and against that payable is also debited because it is reduced. All set, click on confirm. And if we click on customers and click on the credit notes, and if we click on the vendors and click on refunds, you can find this reversal right here. So that's how it is done. We can also check the reports by just clicking on the reporting, click on partner ledger, and we must make sure that it is properly shown in Star Textiles against a return. These are all the bills and this is the return passed. So this is the pending balance now. So that's how it is done. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.